Hello students, this is a Maths Worksheet 48, chapter number 11, Algebra. Dear students, you all know that Unlock 5 is open, so you wear mask, follow physical distancing and maintain hand hygiene. Wear mask. Wear mask properly, follow physical distancing. Stay at least 6 feet from others. Maintain hand hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water, for at least 20 seconds. Remember, do not touch your face, do not share food or drinks with others. Now students, here we will discuss and learn about powers of literal numbers. In arithmetic, we have studied that the repeated product of a number with itself is written in the exponential form. For example, we have written 2 multiplied by 2 as 2 square, or we say that 2 power of 2. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Here 2 multiply in 3 times. So here we write as 2 power of 3, or we say that 2 cube. Now here 2 multiply in 5 times. So here we write as 2 power of 5. Here when we learn about the powers of literal numbers, so this number having two parts, base and exponent. So this lower number is known as base and the upper power is known as exponent. Since a literal number represents a number, thus if a is a literal, then we write a multiplied by a. So here we write a square, a multiply in 3 times, so here we write as a cube. Now here a multiply in 5 times, so here we write a power 5 and so on. Now here a power of 9 equal to a multiplied by a multiplied by 8 and so on, repeatedly multiplied 9 times. Now a power of 15, a multiplied by a multiplied by a and repeatedly multiplied 15 times. Conventionally, for any literal, a comma a power of 1 is simply written as a, that is a power of 1 equal to a. Also we write, now here a multiply in 3 times and b multiply in 4 times. So here we write a power of 3 and b power of 4. Now here 5 multiply by 4 times a and 2 times b. So here we write 5 a power of 4 and b power of 2. Now here we solve a question related to algebra. Now here we meet Snow White and her friend 7 dwarfs. The name of first dwarf Doc and the second dwarf name Grumpy, third dwarf name Bashful, the fourth dwarf name Dope, the fifth dwarf name Happy, sixth dwarf name Sleepy, and the seventh dwarf name Sneezy. So in this story, one day Snow White asked the 7 dwarfs about their birthdays. Dope answered that they were all born on the same day. Snow White was taken aback and said, "But you don't look like septuplets." Septuplets are 7 babies born together on the same day and date by the same mother. So Doc said that they were born on the same day. but on 7 consecutive years, and the ages of the youngest 3 added up to 42 years. Then Grumpy asked Snow White if she could tell them the ages of the oldest and the youngest amongst them. Snow White takes the age of the youngest dwarf as X years. Let the age of youngest dwarf equal to X years. So the age of second dwarf equal to X plus 1 years, and the age of third dwarf equal to X plus 2 years. Now the given sum of ages of 3 dwarfs equal to, here we write sum of ages equal to x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 42. Now here x plus 1 plus x plus 2 equal to 42. Now here first we add literals x, x and x, total 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3 equal to 42. Now here we write 3x here and here 3 in positive, so when it goes other side of the equal, so positive symbol change into negative symbol, 42 minus 3. Now 3x equal to 39. Now x equal to 39 upon 3. Here 39 divided by 3, 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So here we get x equal to 13. So here we write the age of youngest dwarf equal to 13 years. Now the age of second dwarf equal to, here we let the age of second dwarf x plus 1. So now the value of x is 13. So we add 13 plus 1, 14 years. So the age of second dwarf is 14 years. So here the value of x equal to 13. And we let the age of second dwarf x plus 1. So here the value of x 13 plus 1, total 14 years. So the age of second dwarf is 14 years. Now the age of third dwarf equal to x plus 2. So the value of x 13. So here 13 plus 2 equal to 15 years. So the age of youngest dwarf 13 years, the age of second dwarf 14 years and the age of third dwarf 15 years. And we again check our answer, it's right or wrong. So here we add 13 plus 14 plus 15 and 27 plus 15, 7 plus 5, 12, 2, 1 carry, 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4. So here we get 42. So our answer is correct. Now in the question, write each of the following in exponential form. Example number A, 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by x multiplied by y multiplied by y. Here x multiply here in 3 times, y multiply here in 2 times. So here we write 3 x to the power 3 and y to the power 2. So here we get our product in exponential form 3x to the power 3 and y to the power 2. Now example number B, y multiply by y and so on, and y multiply 9 times. So here we write y to the power 9. Now here example number C, 18 multiply by p in 3 times and multiply by z in 3 times. So here we write a p to the power 3 and z to the power 3. So here we get our product in exponential form 18 p to the power 3 and z to the power 3. Now example number D, 6 multiply by a in 8 times, multiply in 8 times, and b multiply in 12 times. So here we write a to the power 8 and b to the power 12. So here we get product 6 a to the power 8 and b to the power 12. So here we get our product in exponential form 6 a to the power 8 and b to the power 12. Now the next example, write each of the following in product form. Example number A, 7 x to the power 2 and y to the power 5. So here we write 7. Here we write x in 2 times, x multiply by x multiply by, here we write y in 5 times, y multiply by y multiply by y multiply by y multiply by y. Y in 5 times, 1 2 3 4 5, and x in 2 times, x 1 2. Example number B, x to the power 8. So here we write x to the power 8 as x multiply by x, and we write x in 8 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 times. Now example number C, 15 p to the power 12 and q to the power 25. So here we write 15 multiply by p into p in 12 times, multiply in 12 times, multiply by q into q, and so on, multiply in 25 times. Example number D, 8 y to the power 4. So here we write product form of this number, 8 multiply by y multiply in 4 times. So here we write y in 4 times, 8 multiply by y multiply by y multiply by y multiply by y. The next example, 5 more than twice a number x is written as. So here 5 more than twice a number x. So how can we write twice a number x? Mean 2 multiply by x. So here we write 2 multiply by x and 5 more than this twice number. So plus 5, or 2 into x written as 2x plus 5. Here 5 more than twice a number x written as 2x plus 5. Now the next question, 9 taken away from the sum of x and y is. First we find the sum of x and y. So how can we write sum of x and y? X plus y. Here we 9 taken away from this sum. So x plus y minus 9. So 9 taken away from the sum of x and y is written as x plus y minus 9. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to our discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.